Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to set up your HP NV6555E all-in-one printer step by step. In this video, we will cover unboxing the printer, connecting the power cable, loading paper, installing ink cartridges, aligning the printer, connecting to Wi-Fi using the HP Smart app. So let's get started. Step 1. First, remove the printer from the box carefully. Now, remove all protective tape, all stickers, all packing materials from inside and outside the printer. Also, remove the protective film from the control panel. Make sure no packaging material remains inside the printer before turning it on. Step 2. Now, connect the power cable to the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall power outlet. The printer should turn on automatically. If it does not turn on, press the power button once. Next, select your preferred language on the printer screen. Then select your country or region. Confirm your selection to continue. Important tip: do not connect the USB cable at this stage. The connection will be completed during software installation later. Step 3. Now, open the input paper tray. Slide the paper width guides outward. Insert a stack of plain paper into the tray with the print side facing down. Adjust the paper guides so they touch the edges of the paper stack. Close the input tray, then pull out the output tray extension. Your paper is now loaded correctly. Step 4. Next, open the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the cartridge holder stops moving. Now, remove the ink cartridges from their packaging. Carefully remove the protective plastic tape from each cartridge. Do not touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Insert the cartridge into its correct slot. Push it upward gently until it clicks into place. Repeat the same process for the second cartridge. After installing both cartridges, close the cartridge access door. Once cartridges are installed, the printer will print an alignment page. Lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page face down on the scanner glass. Align it with the marked corner. Close the scanner lid. Now press Scan on the printer control panel. Wait until alignment completes. Once finished, your printer alignment is successful. Step 6. Now it's time to connect your printer to Wi-Fi. On your computer or mobile device, open a browser and go to 123.hp.com. Download and install the HP Smart app. Open the HP Smart app, click Add Printer, select your HP NV6555E printer from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the wireless setup. Your printer is now ready to print, scan, and copy. And now, test print. Recommended step. To confirm everything is working correctly, open the HP Smart app, select your printer, tap Print Documents or Print Photos, print a test page. If the test page prints successfully, your setup is complete. Next, troubleshooting quick tips. If your printer is not detected, restart your printer, restart your Wi-Fi router, make sure your device is connected to the same network, reopen the HP Smart app, and try again. And that's it! Your HP NV6555E all-in-one printer setup is now complete. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials. If you're facing any issues during installation, Wi-Fi connection problems, cartridge errors, or printing issues, don't worry. You can contact our printer support team anytime for quick help. Our experts are ready to assist you. Thanks for watching.